Ripley is the leading global manufacturer of wire and cable preparation tools, serving linemen, technicians, and installers for over 30 years. Ripley's full product line of high-quality wire and cable preparation tools and accessories for the transmission and distribution, CATV, electrical and telecommunications industries is distinguished by 3 brands: Miller, UtilityTool, and Cablematic. The Miller brand of products is comprised of tools for the fiber optic and telecommunications industries and offers wire cutters and slitters for all types of small wire, cable, and fiber optic cable. The UtilityTool brand of products features tools intended to splice and terminate cable while meeting specific application needs, including accurate removal of insulation, semiconductive sheathing, protective jacketing, and other materials to produce a consistent, uniform preparation of cable ends. The Cablematic product line features coring and stripping tools, drop cable trimmers, and compression crimp tools for the CATV, telecommunications, and wireless industries. Cablematic tools prepare trunk and distribution cables, in addition to drop and messenger cables. Ripley was purchased by Capewell Components LLC in 1991 and is headquartered in Cromwell, Connecticut, with offices in the UK, China, and South America. Ripley sells its products targeting the end-user contractor through a worldwide network of distributors, focusing on quality and providing global solutions.
Find out more at Vicom's website.